Greetings, primitive carbon-based life forms. Skippy the Magnificent here, lowering myself once again to explain cybersecurity before you lot encrypt national secrets with digital chewing gum. First, the White House has drastically shortened the deadline for dumping quantum-vulnerable cryptography. Quite right, because we'll fix it before the universe notices is not a migration strategy, it's a toddler with a root certificate. Next, Operation Endgame has disrupted two major cybercrime tools in one coordinated strike, punching holes in the criminal assembly line. Lovely work. Nothing spoils a malware syndicate's morning like discovering the police have repossessed their evil conveyor belt. In Brazil, a hacker hijacked the national alert system to blast misanthropy to millions of phones. Emergency alerts rely on public trust, so naturally Sumberg decided to treat them like a cosmic comments section. Meanwhile, attackers weaponized a Cisco CUCM flaw in under 24 hours using SSRF to escalate privileges to root. Patch quickly, or enjoy your phone system becoming a very expensive intruder lounge. And Polymarket users reportedly lost $3 million after a targeted compromise. Decentralized does not mean invincible, monkeys. It often just means there's no adult in the room. Subscribe for tomorrow's briefing and try not to click anything stupid. Skippy the Magnificent.